Hi everyone, I'm Vitalik. Today is August 7th, 2024. Today's highly anticipated OREB has launched the mainnet for mining, which is another money-making project for us BitHunt families after going live. Before this, Bitla has already released 2 development test network tutorials teaching everyone how to mine Aura independently using the official mining software on the test network, as well as how to mine. O2EB has been extensively practiced, and everyone in the family who followed along has prepared to punch and rub their hands. So, just wait to mine ore. Before the project officially launches on June 8th, I edited a mainnet mining script and an official solo script in advance, and we have reached every VIP member right at their fingertips through email push. Showing, because even better hunters know, it must be a great opportunity for everyone to make big money. So, make sure every member gets on the bus on time. Missing it is definitely going to be a big regret. Otherwise, mine ore as soon as it opens. Our BitLiar pool can quickly break blocks. And the main difference with the official solo mining software is that the official solo mining requires gas fees require RPC nodes. Using multiple private keys is needed for mining, and staking RB is required for high returns. And when mining with BitHunter's premium pool, don't guess, no RPC nodes. Don't worry about pushing RB, you can achieve high returns. You can use multiple computers and a single wallet address for mining, so it's clear to see which mining method works better. So, when other miners are still figuring out how to save on gas fees, how to buy an RPC node when family members have already gained high returns for free from mining. This time, the Bitcoin community has won once again. There's no way to count it all. How many times have we run and won the whole game this year? Feeling the small hills is really good. It's not been long since we started mining, but in our hunter community, everyone has started to benefit. For instance, this person. Within 1 hour, $193 worth of OREB was mined. Other members each revealed their own scorecards. Basically, every hour you earn more than $100 because the pool was previously limited in capacity and was only available to VIP members, divided into 2 VIP pools and 1 public pool to ease the pressure on the mining pool. So, today, I'm going to release a tutorial and teach everyone step by step how to mine OR tokens in Bitla's public mining pool. If you need a mining script, welcome to the official BitHunter channel. You can find the group link below the video. You just need to send a short ORI tutorial in the group. The robot will automatically launch the ORAB mining tutorial and a mining script. Very convenient. Additionally, our VIP members' mining pools will have optimized mining strategies, payment strategies, and service performance. So, if you want to join our VIP pool mining, welcome to join our VIP group. The membership fee is $188 per year. Not only can you participate in the VIP OIB mining service, moreover, if you encounter high-yield coins like ORE or mining opportunities in the future, perhaps it's best to first ensure VIP members' returns, allowing them to participate first. Basically, the members have already made several times their capital back. To meet the urgent needs of the community, we will provide a public ORAB pool for everyone to mine. There's a tutorial coming out today. I'll be showing everyone how to mine ORAB in the pool, step by step. When mining ore, people are mainly concerned about the following 3 issues. First, whether it is necessary to purchase an RPC node for mainnet mining. When mining, how much gas fee should be stored in the wallet. Third, how to ensure the safety of the wallet's private key while mining. Here, we need to first congratulate the families of the BitClout community. This middle-formed mining pool for mining completely solved the aforementioned 3 issues. It simplifies and secures the previously complex ore mining process by shutting down all mining software, including official ones, across the entire network. More importantly, use this mining software to mine ore. No need to buy extra RPC nodes and waste gas fees on the Solana network. Just consider these issues. It saved at least $200 in cost for purchasing a Solana chain RPC node, and gas fees for mining, winning big time. It's like you start mining, and you're already faster than the others. The miner made an extra $200. Next, I will show everyone how to mine on Windows and Linux platforms. First, let's download the latest mining software, shall we? Mining software includes the Windows version and the Linux version. Here, I will demonstrate the mining software on the Windows version for everyone. First, download the official Linux version of the mining software, and then enter the mining command in the script. The command is very simple. All you need to do is set the mining amount, enter the mining wallet address, configure the script, double-click to run it, and you can start mining without being affected by RPC nodes. You can see the addition fees and wallet private key issues resolved. After digging for a while, we'll be able to see the amount of ore we mined. Then we can run this claim script to transfer the mined ore to our wallet. Isn't that awesome? After introducing the Windows version of the mining software, we'll take a look at the Linux version. As always, I have prepared a mining script for Ubuntu for you guys. If you need this script, you can join our official Bitcoin Telegram group to get the link. I've posted it below the video. If you don't have an Ubuntu system, it doesn't matter. I've applied for a batch of free trial VPS for 7 days from Bearhost for everyone to use. Conduct an OAV2 mining test. If you need, you can use the BitClout registration invitation code to register a Bellhost account for free, and then use this account. Not only you can enjoy all VPS services from Bearhost at 50% off with a discount code. You can also contact BitHunter for a free 7-day VPS trial promotion. Check the link below the video. We're here to apply for a free VPS and run a script. The script will first ask you to enter mining options. If you want to proceed with mining, just enter the number 1. Then press enter. The script will first ask you to input the number of rewards, and then your wallet address. Please make sure to enter your wallet address here, instead of private wallet keys, which are mostly scams, coming to you. Be careful when filling out the options. Once done, press enter to run the script, and it will automatically start the mining process for you. Just like on Windows, after a while, it will show the amount of B mined here. If you want to return to the main interface, press the control key and the letters A and D on the keyboard to return to the main screen. If you want to continue monitoring the mining status, you can choose to input ARB number 2. If you want to withdraw, you can choose to input ARB number 3 to make a withdrawal. If you want to stop mining, you can choose to input Alibaba number 4. Lastly, if you want to exit the script, just enter the Arabic numerals. That's it for today's Oreb mainnet mining tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Please like, subscribe, and follow BitHunter's YouTube channel. Join our newsletter group. Support is my only motivation to keep updating. Thank you so much.